Hey guys, so we're going to talk about pre-bugs, having this tail light, swapping over to this. So we have two types available. This is the clear translucent style, and then we have we just got these in. These were just made specifically for us. So there's kind of a side-by-side. These come pre-wired. You need to change these out to bullet connectors. So really easy to do, don't need it to solder. These, you have to solder connectors on the back. So these are definitely more work, but just kind of want to show you side by side on these. So what you want to do with this, as you can see, the OEM panels already have a cutout for it. So what you need to do is pop this light off, take a Dremel, and you just Dremel right along this line, and that pops out. And underneath there, I don't know if you can see, there's two mounting holes right there. And that's where these go to. So all you need to do is undo these nuts here, slide it right in place, bolt it on, wire it up. It's like a half an hour install, way better looking. So these are really high quality. Again, we just had these made. It took probably 4 months to get these made. So there you have it, really easy install. Get rid of this funky setup, get rid of the tail light and whatnot. Use original wires and just cut them in here, and I'd just put bullet connectors on them and plug these in. So no soldering required, but you will need some bullet connectors. But just kind of show you the difference on how these look side by side. And if you buy our aftermarket panels, you don't have to trim. They're already trimmed out for that. So less likely to get these things broken too. Load them up, these always break or bend or whatever. So you guys got any questions, let us know. But again, this is the I'm just calling it the fluted style light. They're a little bit more expensive, not much though. So those are the fluted style. These are kind of clear, translucent. So it just depends on what style you like, but you can just see the difference in the lens. So there you have it. Subscribe, share, comment. You guys have questions or concerns or whatever, just let me know. Thanks.